To remove the search bar from home screen in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open a Google Play Store on your phone. Sadly, there's no normal way where you could remove that search bar, so we'll need to use an app for that. And the app name is Pix launcher. As you can see, it's this app right here. We can click on it and then install it. I've already have it, so I can instantly open it. You don't need to even open it, honestly. Just install the app, then you can go back and click on the settings for your phone, scroll down to the apps and select the default apps. Then you can select your home app to be Pix Launcher. That way you will have a possibility to remove the search bar at the bottom. As you can see, it's already gone. So to do that for yourself, because you will probably still see it, is to click on the home settings right here, then scroll down and look for the dock options. Dock right here. Then you can either disable show dock, which removes the Google search bar, but it also removes those slots for the icons like the dialer, messages and camera that you usually have. So instead we can enable it and change the search bar widget to be disabled. And that way it is gone and we can still use the icons on our standard 3 dock. And this app doesn't have much of the ads. The only ads you will see is when you access the home settings right here. Other than that, you won't see ads, so you can use your phone however you like. The ads should never pop open, so it's great to use if you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.